Welcome to TotalPave Talk. Hi there, I'm Scott McMillan, Technical Manager here at TotalPave. Here at TotalPave Talk, we aim to provide information about and tips on using TotalPave. We hope this is of use to our users and also of general interest to those in the asset management field. Today I will be talking about the static lines within TotalPave and how they'll assist you with your historic data comparisons. To take a look at this, we need to open up our TotalPave web portal. We are now viewing the static lines within our demo TotalPave account. As you can see, the color coordination here on the lines, this is based off of the PCI and IRI score that each segment has received, where both PCI and IRI data sets are stored on the TotalPave web portal. All of the line segments within this account were uploaded via shapefiles, though here at TotalPave we do offer automatic GPS mapping for quality control and quality assurance purposes. This account, however's main focus is asset management, and for asset management, static lines are best. If you're already using GIS, we can easily drop those files into a TotalPave account for you, along with all the attributes and segmentations that go along with those line segments. They will all appear here on TotalPave just to ensure all of your data matches up properly. And once you've collected data on your line segments here using TotalPave, it's very simple to export all of this data back into your GIS with all that TotalPave data attached to it. This allows you to centralize all of your data within your GIS. With that, I will just flip back to our map dashboard on the web portal here, and as you can see that our web portal view has automatically flipped to 2021 and the color of the line segment has changed as well. This occurs as the static lines within TotalPave automatically regenerate year to year. So we can go back in time here to the original viewing that we had previously of 2017, and you notice there as I was going through the years, the color coordination of the line segments changed as well. So let's just take a closer look, and I'll select a specific line segment here so we can get a look at the changing IRI and PCI averages. So for this segment here, we can see the overall PCI and the overall IRI on our right here, as well as the individual distresses and the individual IRI logs that were conducted as well. So like we just did, but we'll go forward in time this time and go forward to 2018, 2019, and as you can see, the averages there are changing as we move forward in time. But also notice what's not changing, which is the length and the width and the position of the line segment. All of that is remaining static. This automatic regeneration of the line segments is creating a static environment, which in turn provides you an apples to apples comparison for your line segments year to year. And again, in turn, that provides you with some historical comparison for the progression of your network. To take a look at this historic data, I'm just going to jump over to our reports dashboard. So thanks to our static line segments, we have an apples to apples comparison, so we're easily able to see the progression of our network over time. So as we can see here, we can see the progression of PCI over the years as well as the IRI over the years from our network data. So all this historical data can be used to, again, to compare year to year or segment to segment like we did earlier, and we can be confident in the historical relevancy of it based on the fact that we have static lines year to year. If you're collecting road condition data not in a static environment, you're essentially limiting yourself to using that data just for that single use case. Without static lines, you'll have an apples to oranges comparison, losing out on this historical data, thus having the inability to see the natural progression of your network over time. So all in all, the static line segments within TotalPave are a very simple yet very important feature to ensure the accuracy of your historic data. Without static lines, there is no way to have a direct comparison of your data year to year. Thanks for joining me for the TotalPave talk today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions on the topic today or would like any more in-depth information on the static lines featured within TotalPave. Also, let me know if you have any questions, thoughts, or ideas that I should cover here in future TotalPave talks. Would love to hear from you. Thanks again for joining me here at TotalPave Talk. All the best and stay safe.